When the project commenced, we had so little to go on. There were no blueprints, no engineering drawings. We had just a couple of photographs, an advertisement and an article, and that's all we had to go with.
It was certainly a daunting task that we were given. Usually the process we take is to go and look at other similar motorcycles, or if you're making a reproduction, ideally go and measure the original. But in this case, there was none.
If we were building this bike from scratch, we'd just simply make it. We wouldn't be copying anything. We'd make it how we wanted to. But the real difficulty here is trying to replicate and honour the craftsmanship that went into the original bike.
What this has shown us is, in order to know where you're going, you've got to know where you've come from. And that is Project Origin.